Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, we got the trim done. Now I need to put the washer and dryer back in place. Got the baseboard trim all in. Now I'm going to start working on the door frame. And when I get the door frame done, then I'll come back in and touch up the paint and do the finish work. Because I'm going to be moving things in and out. I don't want to beat up the new paint and then have to touch it up again and again and again and again. Now I have to hook up the water lines to the washing machine. Last job to do, hang the door. With the hinges on it, it's a lot easier. You just have to shut the door. And then drop the pins in. Now, I still have to do the door trim on around the door. I got to take it all off. But I'll do that after I have the sliding door hung on the outside. And then, when the sliding door is hung on the outside and the trim on the inside is all done, I'm done with the bathroom remodel. Well, it was a tough fight and I got really dirty. But I have the bathroom back together again now, so I can take a shower and get cleaned up. And I really need it. But, happy to have this part of the job done. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.